बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 15 दिसंबर 2024 के अखबार में। करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर PIACL पाकिस्तान इंटरनेशनल एयरलाइंस कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड। PIACL invites application for the position of Chief Executive Officer. PIACL is determined to restructure itself as a dynamic, modern and successful national airline of Pakistan. It seeks a प्रोफेशनल मोटिवेटेड, ये मैं आपको ये बता देती हूँ। एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशंस possess at least a graduate degree from an institute or university recognized by the HEC related to science, engineering or aviation management or related disciplines, or be a member of a recognized body of professional accountants, or be a recognized businessman or professional with a degree in business administration or public administration or equivalent from any institute or university recognized by the HEC. Work experience minimum 20 years of working experience, preferably in the aviation sector including aircraft operations / aircraft acquisition / aircraft sales, induction and upgrade in reputable airlines / aviation organization with a minimum of 10 years experience in a senior management position. Age between 45 and 62 years on 29th December 2024. Tenure: the selected candidates will be given employment on a contract basis for a period of 3 years which may be extended. Pay package: successful candidate will be offered market based salary and fringe benefits. Preference will be given to the candidate who has worked as CEO of an equally sized international airline or commercial organization, or who has proven track record of successful turnaround of a company of equal size. Application procedure / guidelines: interested candidates must review the detailed application criteria and declaration available at www.piac.com.pk/careers and submit applications along with the declaration on National Job Portal of NITB website https://njp.gov.pk on or before 29th December 2024 16:30 hour PKT. The applicants, after applying on for the position of KHIGEPK at piac.aero along with a covering letter containing the following particulars: name of applicant, date of birth, age on 29/12/2024, qualification, experience relevant to the post, present position, phone number and email address, postal address, CNIC number. Eligible offers in the service of Pakistan or in the service of a public sector organization may apply through proper channel. PIA is an equal opportunity employer and all eligible persons are encouraged to apply. DGM Recruitment and Placement, PIA Booking Office, AK Fazlul Haq Road, Blue Area, Islamabad 44000. Email khigepk@piac.aero, khigepk@piac.aero. Contact number 0519209909, 0519209909. Job opportunities: are well reputed public sector organization invites applications for the following positions. Serial number 1, job title research analyst economics, PPS 5, location Lahore, number of positions 1. Age/experience, age 22 to 20 years, experience 1 year, relevant experience will be preferred. Education, master/bachelor's degree, minimum 16 years of education in business management, economics, marketing, public administration, public policy, finance, commerce, statistics, law or equivalent from a reputable foreign or local HEC recognized institute/university. Number 2, coordinator, PPS 3, Lahore. Number of positions 1, age 22 to 28 years, experience 1 year, relevant experience will be preferred. Bachelor's degree in business management, economics, marketing, public administration, public policy, finance, commerce, statistics, law or equivalent from a reputable foreign or local HEC recognized institute/university. Please visit http:// all positions are contract based. A competitive remuneration package will be offered to the suitable candidates along with excellent working environment. Interested candidates are invited to apply online http://63.250.40.19/ within 15 days of publication. 15 दिसंबर के जंग अखबार का ऐड है ये. Of this advertisement, we are an equal opportunity employer. Women are encouraged to apply. Relaxation of age limit shall be applicable as permissible under government instruction. Misinformation or an attempt to influence the selection process will be considered a definite disqualification even if the candidate is otherwise qualified. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for interview. No TA/DA will be admissible. Job opportunity at CPSP Karachi. The College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan is a premier postgraduate medical institution in Asia since 1962. Deputy Manager Audit/Finance, College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan CPSP. Candidate should be bachelor's in commerce and partial qualification from ICAP, ICMAP/ACCA with a minimum experience of 3 years in audit and finance with handling account/internal audit/taxation and allied matters. Analytical skills, having exposure to latest accounting standards along with computerized MIS accounting systems are a prerequisite. Please send your resumes along with recent photograph latest by December 31st, 2024. HR Department, College of Physicians and Surgeons Pakistan, 7th Central Street, DHA Phase 2, Karachi, or email jobs@cpsp.edu.pk, jobs@cpsp.edu.pk. ज़रूरत है तजुर्बाकार टिल कैशियर, तनख्वाह 30 से 40,000. नंबर 2, परचेज डेटा, तनख्वाह एंट्री ऑपरेटर 30 से 40,000. दोनों ओहदों के लिए बिजनेस एक्सपर्ट सॉफ्टवेयर के तजुर्बे को तरजीह दी जाएगी. इजाफा माहाना कमीशन या हस्बे लियाकत. तजुर्बे की असनाद और CV के साथ सुबह 9 से 4 बजे तक इंटरव्यू. पाक मेडिको, मोहम्मद अली सोसाइटी, 03261963 03261963 and 03212153 456. 03212153 456. अकाउंट मैनेजर दरकार. गारमेंट्स फैक्ट्री में अकाउंट मैनेजर की फौरी ज़रूरत है. कम अज़ कम 5 साल के तजुर्बे के साथ. बामुकाम प्लॉट नंबर 3637 सेक्टर 25 बिलाल चौरंगी के करीब, कोरंगी इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया, कराची. ख्वाहिशमंद उम्मीदवार अपनी CV व्हाट्सएप पर भेजें 031421333026 031421333026 एंड 0346353754 0346353754. DSP and SHO seeking the services of retired DSP and/or SHO who is familiar with Sindh's culture and political landscape, is a strong leader and has managed teams in both cities and rural areas. Location Karachi and Interior Sindh. Candidates who have not yet retired are also welcome to apply. Please send your CV to +923320347061. +923320347061. We are hiring. Join our team. Al Khidmat Head Office Manager / Deputy Manager for some R program / departments in Karachi. Qualification master's degree and should be well versed with IT techniques. Zero experience. 5 to 7 years NGO sector in similar position. Competitive salary packages with incentive and allowances. Apply before 24th December 2024. Apply now. Jobs at alkhidmat.com. Age limit not more than 50 years. 02111503504. 02111503504. We are hiring RMOs, OBS Kahini, evening RMOs, NICU, evening shift / alternate night, anesthetic M/F, human resources PRO, sonologist, marketing officer, male / female, security guards or drivers, Chinute Mother and Child Hospital, 44F8/7 and 8/8, नाजिमाबाद नंबर 4 कराची. ईमेल admin@cmch.net.pk. व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 033538322624. 033538322624. फौरी ज़रूरत बराए सऊदी अरब हमारे मुअस्सस प्रिंसिपल को सऊदी अरब की मशहूर व मारूफ कंपनी के लिए मंदरजा झैल तजुर्बाकार अफराद की ज़रूरत है. मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर, मैकेनिकल टेक्नीशियन, अच्छा जी, डिग्री होल्डर्स, फायर फाइटिंग प्रोजेक्ट इंस्टॉलेशन, मशीनरी की मेंटेनेंस का 7 साल तजुर्बा लाजमी. डिप्लोमा होल्डर्स, फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम मशीनरी की मेंटेनेंस इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोजेक्ट पर काम का 5 साल तजुर्बा. दोनों असामियों के लिए फायर फाइटिंग सिस्टम टूल्स, कंस्ट्रक्शन, पाइप फिटिंग, पाइपों वालों, हाइड्रो टेस्ट, फ्लो टेस्ट, मेंटेनेंस, पम्प, जॉकी, डीजल, इलेक्ट्रिक ड्राइविंग में महारत लाजमी. मुआहदा मुद्दत 2 साल, 8 घंटे ड्यूटी. रिहाइश, मेडिकल, ट्रांसपोर्ट, बाजिमा कंपनी, दीगर मराअत मुकामी लेबर कवानीन के मुताबिक. उम्मीदवार अपने कागजात, बमा सर्टिफिकेट, पासपोर्ट और हालिया तस्वीर के हमरा हमारे ऑफिस तशरीफ़ लाएँ या ईमेल करें. 4 हिलाल चैम्बर यूनियन कमर्शियल एरिया, शब्बीराबाद, नस्ब बलोच कॉलोनी, पुल, कराची. ईमेल hanif_traders2002@yahoo.com. फ़ोन नंबर 0213455038, 0213455038. व्हाट्सएप 030122064663, 030122064663 and 0314357542, 0314357542. Bantwa Hospital and Bantwa Anis Hospital. We are hiring. Join us. Following vacancies are general and open. Chief Medical Officer, Hospital Administrator, Resident Medical Officer, HR Head, Radiologist, Accountant, Paramedical Staff, Cashier, OT Technician, IT Supportive Staff, Laboratory Technician, Housekeeping Staff. Send resume. Mention position in subject title. bmkc.bantwa@gmail.com. 034620909005, 034620909005. Medicare, Cardiac and General Hospital. Invite applications for registrar / RMO, pediatrics, MBPS, DCH, MCPS, pediatrics / FCPS training / completed. Evening and alternate night shift, sonologist, MBBS, FCPS / MD / MCPS / DMRD pass or training completed. Female candidates are preferred for the position. Afternoon and evening shift. Pharmacist, Form D and fresh or 1 to 2 years relevant experience. Staff nurse, RN / RM with relevant working experience. Female candidates are preferable. NICU / PICU technician, diploma with relevant working experience. Security guard, preferable metric pass with relevant working experience. Application processing information. Interested applicants should submit CV latest by 25th December 2024 at hr.hiring@jmc.edu.pk. Sent by post at HR department. Medicare, Cardiac and General Hospital 22 to 23, Shaheed Millat Road, Karachi. UN number 0211110011786. Phone number UN 0211110011786. Phone number 349 3188529 349 3188529, एक्सटेंशन नंबर 3115। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।